Hello ladies and gentlemen.
Je bent een beetje blauw. Look, who's back?
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this new video of cooking at Solar Cycles TV. Because our last video went viral, we had to make another one. We are gonna keep it coming. We are gonna make soapy from the Koek-en-zopie today. Soupy. Soupy. It's very nice. I love which is a very authentic ingredient. My grandma always used to make this for me and I like it very much. That's why I make the soapy today. Here is what you need. A garden, a meetbeaker, a bowl, a sieve, 2 eggs, bastard sugar, the brown bastard sugar, rum, 1 liter of bock beer, kennel, cloves. In the Netherlands is fun fact, we call it kruidnagel.
Herbnail.
Herbnail. And 2 slices of lemon, the main ingredient. My grandma always told me 2 slices of lemon. Grandmother always told me the 2 slices of lemon makes for the perfect soapy.
Very nice.
So let's get cooking, everybody. So first we are going for the 2 slices of lemon, which is very easy. Look.
Your hand is before it.
Oh. Two slices, maximum. Look, we have 2 blicks with beer, so that's all we need. There you go. Always use the right angle when put in the bock beer. Otherwise you get a lot of scum. You don't want
Wacht
soupy.
even hoor, ik moet een andere hoek hebben. Dat is moeilijk man.
Can you stop complaining a little bit? I'm trying to make soup here. Now we are going to add the second most important ingredients that my grandmother introduced to me when I was a child. Let me tell you a fun story first. I was at the ice skating park and my grandma, she came to me with a pan of soupy and a cookie, and we both had the cookie and soapy together and we had a nice laugh. So that is how you get the... Look, what the fuck is this, man? This is a whole tree with the kruidnagel. Yes, this is a kruidnagel. Kennel stick, or they like to call it cinnamon, I heard. So you add it in the beer. Step 1 is complete. We are trying to get some fire in. Hey, there we go. So we are going to bring this to a little boil. Do the other corner. It's a nice angle.
Oh yes, very nice.
Lovely. Don't forget the piece of lemons you just cut. Very important. There's a lot happening with that we can see inside, but it is happening. I don't think this is good.
It is cooked.
Oh. Cooked. Good.
So what's the next step?
Now we need to simmer this for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it on a very low fire. You need the alarm. And put it at 20 minutes. And then we wait. Also, we'd like to thank everybody for the love and the support from the last cooking with me video. It was very nice when we made the pancakes together. And thank you so much for the nice comments. It was very nice. We are now going to stir some eggs with the brown bastard sugar. What are you doing? What is he doing? Oh, thank you very much. Look, very careful. You don't want 130 grams, but you want 125. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dus nu zit er 140 in. I don't want any more of this ganas. Now we are going to add the eggs. Be very careful, I'm not so good at this. There we go. That's 1 and 2. Now we need our garden. Let's get our garden. This is lovely. You want to stir this until it's a beautiful mixture. It always looks like caramel. Look. Wouldn't you love this? Caramel? Now it is time to put the rum into the made beaker with 100 milliliter. You need 100 milliliter. Grandma always liked to do a little bit more. She was a very funny grandma. Now we put all the ingredients next to the pan, so that we can very quickly in the 20 minutes we can put it in the pan. Whoa, that was the ring. That means we are ready to do the step 2. Put it off the fire. So we've got this nice mixture with the bastard sugar and the eggs. Oh,
Lekker uitdoen.
would you look at that? So you have to be very quick, otherwise you are going to get scrambled egg soupy.
Understood.
So we have arrived at the last step of all the steps, and it's a step by step. We put in the rum.
Oh, that's delicious.
I hope it is. A soapy. We are sieving it now because you don't want your kruidnagel and the kernel to be in your drink. And there it is. The soapy is ready to be drink. So you are together with your friends and you want to take this cookie-en-zopie. Then you need the cookie. Ontbijtkoek. It's a breakfast cook. Yeah, it's rich with vezels. Nice and easy.
Oh, it's like in TV shows.
Yes.
Where they slice cookies all the time.
Wow.
Oh, beautiful.
So before you are going to drink this with your friends, it's very important that you all sing together. Koekie-en-zopie en koekie-en-zopie. Koekie-en-zopie en koekie in met koek. And that is the start of the cookie-en-zopie. Here we have a soupie. And here we have a cookie. And they both together are the cookie and the soapie. So as a chef, you always want to taste what you serve, and that's what I'm going to do now. Perfect! Koekie en een sopie, en koekie en een sopie, koekie en een sopie, en koekie met wat koek. Thank you very much, bon appetit.